DailyDAVers Alick here. As you can see, I'm in costume. Today is Purim. It's the Israeli Halloween. Me and Hadar woke up super early and got to the office. We organized all of our rooms and made it very Purim friendly. Also, we celebrated Purim with all the team in a nice brunch here at the office. My task today is actually expanding our DAV Alliance reach. I'm mapping all of our outreaches, finding more C-level candidates that we can approach in different autonomous vehicle companies. And that's about it, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everyone, so today I have two new advisors to announce, kind of. I can't give you all the details, that'll come in due course. Further additions, we've had SkySense join the DAV Alliance, which was great. They're very impressive. They're an organization that their business is centered on creating autonomous drone charging infrastructure. Someone has asked me recently to define the DAV Alliance, and I thought I would do that here too, so help educate a bit. The DAV Alliance it's a coalition of stakeholders in the autonomous vehicle space, and its purpose is to bring together members of the AV industry and the ecosystem that enables it so that we may collaborate on standards and innovations for a global AV network. Another way to put it, it's an organization of like-minded companies and other organizations that are striving very hard for autonomous vehicle adoption. And that's it for me. I will see you guys soon.
Hi guys, so today we've moved the room. We have a room with a window now. The window doesn't open, but we have a window. Also, we've continued to work on the Copter Express demo. Tim and I are getting ahead, and it's probably going to go out in a few days. And final thing for today, we started to work on recruiting two new positions. We'll probably be able to see them on a new jobs page in the main site, so keep tuned.
Hey there! So, yesterday I was preparing for my trip to Italy. Lior and I went to meet Eyal Herzog from Bancor. We were discussing one of the products we're working on and his ideas for that. We then had a really great management meeting, a lot of great news from all the management team. And after that, the four of us had a call with one of our favorite YouTubers, which was a lot of fun and really interesting. Today I'm focused on just one thing, and that is the smart contracts for the drone delivery missions. So I'll be deep in the zone working just on that all day. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys, long time. So it's Purim today, and we started the day with a great Purim event. Alick brought some very good cheese and sauces from Switzerland, so that was that. Other than that, I finished designing the annotation screen that we're going to put in the end of our videos on YouTube, and we also released the meetup video from our Tel Aviv meetup, so you can check it out as well. I'll also start working on our video ad series, which we're going to release soon, and start writing a format for a monthly show that we're going to be creating, so stay tuned. Bye now.
Hey guys. So yesterday I continued working on the decentralized EV charging project, and I also made several design changes across the website. I had an interesting meeting with our crypto economy and blockchain advisor Eyal, together with Tal. And today we opened the morning with a nice Swiss breakfast for our Jewish holiday Purim. And then I met with Rachel working together on this EV charging project. She had great insights from her past working experience. I then continued to make several changes on our developer portal across all communication protocols. We made some changes there. And I guess this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hi, everyone. Yesterday, I started working with Lior on assisting him with a proposal for decentralized electric vehicle charging. I also continued making arrangements for us to meet with some members of our contributor community in person. Today, I'm going to sit with Lior a little bit more on that proposal. I'm going to be prepping for our weekly communications call and, of course, continuing to handle the stream of emails that are coming in on a regular basis. See you next time.
Hello guys, yesterday I made a few important things. I changed several details in animation, created new slide for conference in Bangkok. Today I'll make new developer job post. I draw new illustration for it. Also I'll design mobile version page of our team. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. So yesterday we started off the day with a great executive team meeting, which then dovetailed into just a good amount of tasks and follow-up, whether it was pertaining to advisors, pertaining to the content calendar, pertaining to analytics, and just general marketing. Also spent a good amount of time working on our email blast, and we got that out to about 10,000, now reaching close to 11,000 folks. Really exciting to see that a lot of people are really enjoying the content we're producing, enjoying the announcements. Today the main focus was around making sure our content was in line, so I've been working the past few days to really build out what that content plan is going to look like over the next few months. So made sure that was in line. We had a meeting with our comms team today, our CCO John, and then also Rachel and Gal, and sort of talk through what that's going to look like, talk through some of the advisors that we're also in the process of bringing on board. So we are bringing on a few more advisors, so new announcements to come there. Can't really speak too much about that yet, but a lot of really exciting things happening on our end, and then also working on getting a few of those advisor contracts across the finish line as well. And that's it pretty much for today. Thanks everybody. Have a good night. Bye.